Hi, this is online learning math course, and the first topic we're going to be covering is the top level outcome number 1 is working with positive and negative whole numbers. In top level outcome 1, we're going to be adding and subtracting positive and negative whole numbers. As you can see from example 1, it says add 1 plus 2, which is obvious to most people. But if we look at the number line above, we have a 0, a 1, and 2, and 3 to the right in the positive direction. And we have a -1, -2, and -3 to the left of the 0 in the negative direction. So we can add any or subtract any positive or negative whole numbers. If we look at the first example, we have add 1 plus 2. So if we start at the 0 and we go 1 place to the right, and then we add 2, we go 2 more direction in the positive direction to come to 3. So to add 2 whole positive numbers, you just add them together. 1 plus 2 equals 3. You can use this for any whole numbers. This will help you with the number line determine how to do that. Example 2 is add 1 plus -2. So what we're going to do here, we're going to start, and this is all in the description right here, but I'm just going to explain on the number line how that works. We're going to start at 0, and it says add 1 plus -2. So what we're going to do there is we go 1 in the positive direction, and then we're going to go 2 in the negative direction. So 1, 2. So if you add 1 plus -2, you get -1. The third example is subtract 1 minus 2. So you start at 0, you go to the 1 in the positive direction, and then -2 is -1. So if you do that, you will see that the answer is -1. And the last example is subtract 1 minus -2. This gives us the +3 for an answer, and I will show you how that does that. We're going to start at 0, and it says 1 minus -2. So we're going to start at 0, I'm going to say 1, and then minus -2 is, we have to change this to addition. So it's going to say 1 plus, and when we do that, we change the negative to the opposite symbol or a positive. So it's going to be transferred to 1 plus 2 equals 3. So in other words, we'd start at 0, we'd get a 1. If we're subtracting, we want to change it to addition and switch to the opposite symbol. So we'd go 2 more to 3. This is the overview for top level outcome 1. Thank you.